Good morning, brothers and sisters. Kim Samples out here working on a designer gate that I'm putting in between the patio that's going to be over here. Pan over here and look. This is at the back of the house. We've got the dirt all piled up there. And I'm building a gate here because this area where the, in between the, start over.
Why? Wait, now.
So I'm building the gate, and this is a gate I've kind of designed. This is 3-inch by 1.5-inch tubing, and let me pan over here. This is a rolling gate, and it's going to roll, so the patio will be right about here. It's going to be about so high, and this keeps, we're going to have a green area in this area, grass and all that, and this is a gate to keep the dogs separated from the green area and to keep them off the patio. So this gate actually rolls. It's a rolling gate. It'll roll this way, and I'm welding in the different pieces here. This is the sucker rod right here that I put in between, and then I put this is 1.25 inch, I think, flat bar, and then I've got 1/4 inch tubing that I'm putting in. So I've bent each one of these pieces, put them in here, and I'm welding them all up. Got my little welding station right here, or not my welding station, my cutting station. Got the welder over here cutting. Each piece I have to cut it, weld it, weld it. And all these pieces, they look very much the same, but they're all just a little bit different. So I have to cut each one as I do it. So anyway, let me cut one and weld it in and show you how it works.
Continue filming?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you?
You have to edit it a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna. Not me. You. You're the one making all the mistakes. Just kidding. I'm gonna. So I have to cut each little piece and weld it in there, and
I've got several more pieces to go to finish up. And then, oh, I got to show you this one other thing that I'm going to throw in on this particular gate that I've already cut. If you look at the gate right now, it's just all metal. But I'm going to take some, in between here, I'm going to put a little bit of hardy board plank in between here. So that'll be in between each one of the kind of the triangle pieces. And I'll be able to paint them to kind of match the main fence that I'm working on, that you all have probably already seen the video on that. Still not quite finished, but it's getting closer. So this is so you see how that's going to look, and then I'll clip these in, or spot weld them, put some little tabs on there to spot weld them in, something. So anyway, brothers and sisters, have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus, and see you on the next video.